Hi, I'm Rob Haddock, the President and CEO and founder of S5.
And I'm Harry Carner, Vice President of Manufacturing for S5.
We're proud of the USA, and we do prefer to manufacture in the USA, but moreover, we manufacture in our own facility. We control every aspect of it from soup to nuts.
I'm very, very proud of that. And my employees are proud of that, and they strive towards that. Those people want to make good products because they stand behind it. Their names are on every box of part that goes out of that plant. They know what they're doing.
Our name's on everything and our reputation's on everything, and that means a lot to us.
All of the employees are part of the family. They understand what they want to do, what they need to do, and we empower them to make some of their own decisions.
We want our team to feel a sense of ownership, and that's what makes them more valuable to the company as a whole.
They want to know why and how it's used, and because they do know why and how it's used, they understand how important it is to make it the quality product that it is.
We have a track record of 27 years now in doing what we do. There may be a couple of competitors who have been in business for as long or longer, but they can't copy that track record. They can't copy all the certifications that we have. They can't copy all the lab testing that we've done, and those kinds of things are important. We're in a constant program of innovation and improvement. We're changing and we're evolving and we're maturing and we're upping our game in every area of our business.